This video will cover the features for doing typical project work. Start projects by creating a written plan. Select the project plan icon in the left navigation bar. Tailor the plan categories for your project. Record significant accomplishments and learnings, especially on large projects. The main page displays the project workflow and scope. It can include multiple deliverables to be worked on in parallel, or a left-to-right workflow. The drag-and-drop structure displays all deliverables and their work packages. Tasks are contained within the work packages. Double-click a deliverable to open. At the top of the page is the deliverable title. It can be edited. The arrow to the left of the title will take you back to the main page. The status and schedule alerts are rolled up from tasks, to work packages, to the deliverables. Status and schedule are entered in tasks. Selecting Assign To opens a drop-down. The list displays the current team members for the open project, and all projects in the account. New entries will be added to this and all other team list. Use the priority drop-down to set or remove priority. Setting priority displays a teal exclamation point. The dates are rolled up from tasks, to work packages, to the deliverables. Dates are entered in tasks. Best practice would be to describe deliverables as things. Enter a description of the deliverable, so all will easily recognize what the project is expected to deliver. Deliverables contain work packages, displayed on the right. Select a work package. The work package layout and elements are similar to the deliverable. Best practice for describing a work package is to start with a verb. This approach recognizes that it's describing work. Verify that the description is broad enough to encompass the required multiple tasks. You can access the tasks while viewing the work package description, or you can select the arrow to expand the tasks. Selecting the plus button on the left of the teal bar will add a task. Selecting the down arrow on the right will override the automatic sorting. Double-clicking a taskbar will open the task. Best practice for describing a task is to start with a verb. Dates entered into tasks are rolled up to the work package, deliverable, and the project. Logical alerts, based on the dates entered, are built into the flow. The Needs Attention report, on the dashboard, is your smart tool for monitoring and editing commitments. Select the item links to go directly to the item. Select a task link to edit a date. Tasks with an end date of today can be your to-do list. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos.